business or industry is made by the people. And within the team of people, being more specific, business success depends on the success of the, or you can say, capabilities of their senior leadership team and the middle management team. While senior leadership team plan, strategize, middle management execute it or take care of the operational part. This means that if the leadership team succeed, company succeed, and if this leadership team fail or does not perform up to its potential, then company does not perform as per the management expectations. If this leadership does not perform, as an industry, we have two options. One is, let us give them some more time to perform. And second option is, remove the people, or you can say replace the leader. In another case, if this leadership team perform, most of the time, after some time, again they stop performing. It may be after seeing some new kind of challenges which they might have not faced in the past. It may be after their promotion, or as they are in the new position where they have never worked. It may be after changing business division or changing company or even launching new business which they have not done in the past. So anything which they have not done in the past, even being in facing the COVID situation, they're again likely to face the failures or not so success. Overall, we can say that even successful leaders or executive also start failing sometime when they face a new situation or which they are not used to, or sometimes they feel stressed a bit from their comfort zone. This situation put back organization with the two choices. One is to bear the non-performance, where they can only hope that after some time this team will start performing or this leader will start performing. And second choice is again to remove or replace leader or executives. Even when we replace a leader, it takes entire business back 6 months to 1 year, apart from the fact that replacement also costs us heavily. And secondly, there is no guarantee that new replacement will perform as per our expectations. So here comes the third option. And this third option is to provide your leaders and the executives the assistance of leadership coach or executive coach. This concept of coaching is not new to the world. Western countries are benefiting with the coaching immensely. All the top business leaders in the Western countries have their leadership coach. In Indian business, this concept is in the nascent stage, where world's first business coach, or world first coach, was born in India only, and he was Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna assisted Arjun to win the biggest war of our history, Mahabharata, without fighting himself. These coaches assist leaders to perform up to their potential and help them to realize their own visions as well as organizational vision. Leadership coaching is a developmental process where a leaders get tailored assistance from the coach who assists them to achieve his or her goal and become a more effective leader. At leadership coaching, we believe that you have only one past, but you may have many possibilities in the future. So let us look towards the future, not in the past. And leadership coaching is not a training. See, training is all about teaching, and hence it gives the trainer solution. In leadership coaching, we ask more questions because it has to be leader solution or your solution. Secondly, training usually does not involve reflection or introspections. It is usually not tailored to each individual. And the trainers are not often aware of the intricacies of the human behavior, or human nature that undermine or sabotage behavior. Leadership coaching is not a consulting also, where the consultant is really seen as the expert who comes in to solve a problem and give advice. Therefore, let's not live with the non-performance, opt for the leadership or executive coaching, and believe me, coaching cost is much lesser than the cost of the replacement of the leaders, and coaching outcome is much more predictable also. In some cases, we recommend mentoring, and sometimes there is a mix. We recommend mix of the coaching and mentoring. Mentoring is done by the senior industry person, someone who has traveled this journey before. In this way, mentors are senior industry people who has done this journey and typically have the wisdom of the experience on their side. At last, I can conclude that coaching and mentoring are the solution that industry is looking for, and tolerating non-performance and the frequent replacement at the leadership level are the not solution which our business need. So let's take the assistance from this new tool of the coaching and mentoring.